I'm Javesh. Today I have taken again the same topic, probability. In my last video I am doing face carded. It means that deck of card. We have to solving the problem also. Today we have taken the two dices. One of the question that is given to you, if the one of the dice, two dices are given to you. One dice is gray, one dice is red. So how many total outcomes will be comes out them? So two dices we have. When we have throwing it two dices, we have to make a pattern, either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many total outcomes will be comes out then? Total outcomes 6. In dice 6 will be comes out them, either 1, either 2, either 3, either 4, either 5, either 6. Any number will be comes out them. But when we throwing it two dices, so total outcomes will be comes out them 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Same here, either 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Same here, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So how many total outcomes? Total 36 outcomes will be comes out there. So here the question we have taken it them, sum of the dice event. Here the question is given event that is given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Event, sum of dice. Yeah, probability. That is given 1 by 36, 5 by 36, and 1 by 36. So probability we have taken it there. Sum of the two dice will be comes out 2. When we throwing a dice, when we have throwing a dice, sum of the two dice will be comes out 2. There is only one possibility. So here 1 by 36. So 3 for 3. Sum of two dice is 3. That is possible outcomes 1, 2 and 2, 1. 1, 2 and 2, 1. So how many outcomes? Total 2. So probability is equal to P. Same here, sum of two dice 2 by 36. We have to cut it them 1 by 18. So this is 1 by 18. Same here, when we are throwing a two dice, sum will be comes out 4. 4. So this 1, 3, 2, 2 and 3 1. Sum will be comes out 4. When you add 1 plus 3 4, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 1 4. So sum of two dice is 4. So possible outcomes 1 3, 2 2 and 3 1. So probability sum of two dice is 4 is 3 by 36. 3 1 3. So here complete the table. Then 5. How many times it will be comes out 5. Probability sum of two dice is 5. So 5 here 1 4, 2 3, 3 2, 1 2 3 and 4. So possible outcomes 1 4, 2 3, 3 2 and 4 1. So how many total favorable cases? 1 2 3 4. So same here, sum of dice 4, 4 by 36, 1 by 9. 1 by 9. 6 will be comes out then. Here 6 will be comes out then. 6. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 6 will be comes out then 5 times. So 5 times. So here 6 will becomes 5 by 36. 7 will be comes out there. 7, sum of the two dice will be comes out 7. So 7. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many times? 6 times. So here 6 by 36. Then 8 will be given to them. 9. 9 will be comes out them. When we are throwing a two dice, some of them only 7 will be comes out them. When 2 and 6, 2 plus 6, 8. Not will be comes out them. So 9 will be comes out from here. 3 and 6, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 times. So here possible outcome 4 by 36. Next 10 will be comes out them. So 10. 3 plus 6 9. Not will be comes out them. So here 10. 4 plus 6 10. 1, 2, 3. So how many possible outcome? 3 by 36. Next 11. 11 will be comes out how many times? 1, 2. So here 2 by 36. When we have to add all the number of the probabilities, the answer will be comes out 1. It means that all individual cases, when we have to add it with them, the total possibility will be comes out 1. So this is the question. Many times this question will be asked in the 10th class question paper. So try. I have taken another question of the probability of the same when we are throwing a two dice. They will be asked, the question is 5 will come up either side. 5 will come up either side. Will not come. They will be asked 5 will not come up either side. Next they will be asked second part, 5 will be come at least 1. At least means one time they will be comes out then. So here first question, probability, let E be the event that 5 will not come up either side. It means that when we have throwing a dice, 2 dice, 5 will not come. Here we have to throwing a 2 dices will be there, so 5 will not come on either side. So 5 will becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times this will be there, and 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So E with the event 11 event in which 5 will be comes out there. So how many total? 36 cases will be there. 11 cases the 5 will be comes on the either side. So here answer is 25. 36 minus 11, 25. So here 25 by 36. Next they will be asked 5 will become at least once. At least once means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least means 1, maximum 2. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let F be the event that 5 will come at least once. At least once means 1 time and maximum 2 times. So here 11 by 36. So this is the question. At least. At most means maximum. It is given that at most 1. It means that only 1 time. Never it will becomes 2 times. Next we have taken the question of coins. The question, a game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin. A game consists of tossing a coin. Tossing a 1 rupee coin. Tossing a 1 rupee coin £1 3 times. And nothing is and nothing its outcome each time. Hafiz wins if all the tosses give the same result. Give the same result. Calculate the probability that the half lose the game. Lose the game. A game consider tossing a 1 rupee coins 3 times and nothing its outcome each time. Hafiz wins if all the tosses gives the same result. Calculate the probability that Hafiz lose the game. When we are throwing a coin 3 times, so total outcomes. Firstly we take total outcomes. So total outcomes: head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, 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 tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Head, head, tail, then head, head, tail. One outcomes will be the left. Head, head, tail, head, tail, head. Head, tail, head will be there. Tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, head, 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 tail. Head, head, tail will be there. Tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head. Tail, head, tail. Tail, head, tail will be there. Head, tail, tail will be there. Head, tail, tail. So when we are tossing a coin 2, either head will becomes or tail will becomes. So we have tossing a coin 3 times. So in the raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3, it means that 8. When we are tossing a coins 4 times, then total outcomes will becomes out them 2 raised to the power 4. So 16 outcomes will becomes out them. So total possible outcomes will be, so here 8 will becomes out them. So here we have to Hafiz lose the game. Nothing will come. Hafiz win if all the tosses give the same result. Same result will be comes out them. Either head, 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 either tail, tail, tail. This will be win the match. So let E be the event that Hafiz lose the game. When head, head, head will be comes out them, tail, tail, tail will be comes out them, they win the match, but otherwise they will lose the match. So how many possible outcomes? Favorable cases 6. So 6 by 8, 2 3 are 6. So 3 by 4 will be comes out them. So Hafiz lose the game. So this is the question. Many times this will be asked them. So thank you. Have a nice day.